Hey guys, Poco just released the Poco F4 GT today. I am so excited to unbox it with you now. Let's go. Oh yeah, the F4 GT is very cool. It has an aluminum frame which looks absolutely stunning. On the right side there are two sliders, which pops up the gaming trigger buttons on the left and right. We can set up a specific audio and even an animation for the sliders. I can play with the Switch the whole day. Yes, that's funny. I can do it the whole day. Yes. The buttons have a good pressure and gives you great advantage in games such as Call of Duty Mobile. I can easily set up the trigger buttons, for instance to shooting. Relatively in the middle there is the power button with built-in fingerprint scanner like on the former Poco F3. It unlocks fast and reliable. I set up the fingerprint unlocking mode to touch instead of press, so that I only need to touch the power button to unlock the phone. On the left side of the phone we get the dual SIM card slot, a mic and the volume button. I can easily change the volume because of it's placed more to the middle of the phone. On the top side we see another mic, an IR blaster and the stereo speaker. It's great to see the IR blaster here again. Sometimes my kids lose the TV remote, so I don't need to look for it. Instead I grab my phone, open the Mi Remote app and go for it. On the bottom we see the USB-C port, another mic and the stereo speaker. We get here a USB-C port with smart 120 watt hypercharge technology. The charging speed is just incredible. The F4 GT is completely charged to 100% in only 17 minutes. I will test it in detail for you and show off the charging speed and time lapse on my in-depth review video. On the back we face the triple camera setup with a thunder-shaped LED light. The main sensor can capture in 64 megapixel. The ultra-wide angle camera has 8 megapixel and the macro lens comes up with 2 megapixels. In advance, it takes great photos and very smooth 4K 60 FPS videos. I will make a separate camera test video in the next days. On the front side, we see the 20 megapixel selfie camera. The 6.67 inch AMOLED display supports 120 Hz screen refresh rate and 480 Hz touch sampling rate. The animations are displayed so smooth in collaboration with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So this was my unboxing and very first impression video about the Poco F4 GT. I'm working on a detailed review video which I will upload ASAP. So just subscribe to my channel not to miss my review videos. See you next time.